So you need to speak English. With me personally, you have to speak English. I'm an teacher, you are a student, so let's speak in English. Don't worry, don't be afraid, and don't doubt to speak, because that's part of the learning. Special for by speaking, you know what's wrong with you. By speaking, you can make better pronunciation, better intonation, better confidence. Okay, so SLC is so please zone. Speak English. That's my answer, Mbak Yunara.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sure.
We still have many time, sir. I think we can one or two question more.
Okay, one more question. Let's say one more question, but I need very intriguing question, very credible question, amazing question, something like that. Kira-kira siapa ya? Unfortunately, the chat column is disabled. Ini admin nggak bisa on-kan chatnya, sehingga nanti yang lain bisa nanya sambil ngetik dalam bentuk ketikan di chat, di kolom chat. Sayangnya kok chatnya diprotek ini.
No, sir. It is. We can write on the chat.
Yeah, right now it's open. Yeah. Come on.
Pindah mau betul-betul sosis.
Okay. Time's ticking.
Come on, everyone. The last question.
Okay, if no more questions, then I think I got enough in my session. Yeah, is it okay, Santika? If no more question, then I'll end up my session. Is that fine?
Okay, sir. So, if there is no question more, I think the first material is enough for us. And as the moderator, I can conclude that SLC is the important place for us during our college in English department. And for the Mr. Bahrudin, thank you very much for your explanation. And we are going to the next material.
Okay, let me close my session. Okay. I open my session by giving you greeting. Now harus saya tutup dengan salam juga. I just want to underline that SLC is very important to support the students' learning process. So please be there. And I believe that anytime you need SLC, whether you want to study alone or together, you want to speak, you want to read, you want to do anything to support your English learning process. And remember that after this, I'll try to make a special group for new students as a new SLC member. It will be a WhatsApp group. So I need the committee to give me the student's number. One of them, only one of them, that's fine. So that's my session. If you still have some more question about SLC, then we can talk about it in detail in the group. Okay? Thank you. Good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much, Mr. Baharudin. And we are going to the next material about metode daring that will be presented by Mrs. Ria Fahruriana. And Mrs., are you here? Miss Ria? Okay. Before that, I will read the curriculum vitae of our presenter. Okay. Name is Ria Fahruriana. Email ria.riana@iayankediri.sac.id, and the number. No. Can I share the curriculum vitae, Miss?
Yeah.
Ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, everyone, can you see my screen?
Obviously.
Okay. The name is Ria Fahruriana. Email ria.riana@iayankediri.ac.id, and the number +62. Okay, everyone, can you see my screen? 6341000. You can write the number and the address Jalan Toto Kerot. Okay, number 3. The name is Ria Fahruriana. Email Jimbun, Pule Kandat Kediri. And the next objective, menjadi pribadi yang menyenangkan sesuai nama yang diberikan orang tua, bermanfaat bagi diri sendiri dan orang-orang disayang. Kemudian, and then work experience, VISC Stain Kediri 1999 sampai 2000 as the tutor bahasa Inggris for kids, and YP Ar-Rahman 2000 until 2002 guru TK SD plus Ar-Rahman, and then MI Al-Irsyad Al-Islamiyah Kediri 2003 until 2004 guru kelas dan bahasa Inggris, and SEL 2004 until 2006 as tutor bahasa Inggris, and MTSN 2 Kediri 2004 until 2019 guru bimbingan prestasi bahasa Inggris, and on Stain Kediri 2005 until 2016 as dosen luar biasa, and next KSKK Kemenak RI 2019, and I think until now tim Tentor e-learning madrasah and Yayan Kediri 2016 until now, dosen tetap non PNS. And education Stain Kediri in 2004 bachelor degree tadris bahasa Inggris S1, and then the next Universitas Negeri Malang in 2010 S2 pendidikan bahasa Inggris. Okay, you can see the type project e-learning madrasah, prestasi dan penghargaan guru mulak bahasa Inggris SD terbaik se-Jawa Timur tahun 2001. Kemudian kemampuan bahasa mampu berbahasa Jawa, Indonesia, Inggris, dan Arab. Wah, 4 bahasa. Oke, is informasi pribadi, tanggal lahir 17 Oktober, the next month, status pernikahan, menikah, kebangsaan Indonesia. And motto, happy or sad, we decide. Okay, so that's all the curriculum vitae from our presenter. So for Mrs. Ria Fahruriana, time is yours.
Yes, all right. Can I be a host, please? Hostnya siapa? Saya bisa dijadikan co-host atau bisa dijadikan host? Pandu ya? Ya, tolong saya dijadikan host. Co-host. Bisa? Mana Pandu?
Mas Pandu? Okay, yes ma'am. Okay, you are the co-host now.
I greet everyone. And I'm not allowing you to unmute yourself. Okay. Nah, sekarang sudah tidak ada suara-suara yang lain. Okay. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. Can you hear me? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Share screen-nya masih dinyalakan itu. Okay. All right. Thank you for the moderator. So let me have the screen sharing. Wait a minute. Before we go, I want you to watch this video. No, belum. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. All right. Yeah, you can see the video. Sorry. All right. Next, let me get this one. Okay. Before we go on, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Here with me, Dia Prakuliana. And okay. Okay. Thank you for having me here today. Thank God I'm with you today, and welcome freshmen. You look so fresh. Yeah. Today I'm going to talk about technology and e-learning, especially. Let me share my slide. Yeah. Yeah, e-learning in learning management system. In management system. All right. Yeah, this is me. Ria. What is e-learning? E-learning is a type of teaching and learning that allows teaching materials to be delivered to students using the intranet or other computer network media. Yeah, there are three main components. The first one is e-learning system, e-learning content, and also e-learning infrastructure. The component of e-learning: students, lecturer, and also the admin. Ya, e-learning system itu rumahnya, kemudian e-learning management or LMS, ada situsnya, blognya, and then e-learning content, that is isinya multimedia based atau text based or Android based or something like that. About infrastructure or peralatannya, server and client or PC, network media, and also teleconference. Interaction methods in e-learning. Apa saja, siapa saja? Teacher communication to students individually, teacher to students individually, teacher-student communication in a group, and also student-to-student communication. The interaction or delivery material in learning is divided into two, namely synchronous system and asynchronous system. Synchronous itu bisa disinkronisasi, synchronize to the database. Database-nya bisa disinkronisasi ke penyimpanan yang lain. The advantages and benefits of e-learning: increased productivity, efficiency, flexible, and interactive. Kita bisa berproduksi, bisa lebih bebas lagi berproduksi, and then tentang waktunya juga fleksibel kalau kita menggunakan e-learning. What about the weaknesses? Weaknesses and limitation of e-learning. The understanding between the teacher and student is not balanced because of lack of face-to-face communication. Nanti ada contohnya ini. Bagaimana ketika teacher sama studentnya belum pernah bertemu, apa yang akan terjadi? Students may not be motivated to learn because the teacher do not know exactly what students demand, interest, and motivation. Kadang kalau text based itu bisa menjadi misunderstanding, something like that. Nah, ini yang saya bilang contoh ketika the students and the teacher, they do not meet each other. Mereka tidak tahu, bahkan mereka tidak apakah dosennya itu laki-laki atau perempuan. Nah, ketika sudah di grup kelas, itu ada pengumuman, kemudian muridnya atau mahasiswanya say, alhamdulillah sudah baru dibalas Bapak. Padahal yang mengampu mata kuliah phonetics and phonology itu adalah ibu. Nah, itu akan menjadi salah satu the weaknesses of using e-learning. Nah, kemudian ada lagi about apa singkatan yang mungkin tidak sopan seperti begini. Pak Arya, maaf saya Erni Marian, kelas AK mau tanya. Jadi kelon apa tidak, Pak? Kalau jadi jam berapa? Hah? Kelon? Maksudnya apa? Kelas online, Bapak. Nah, yang seperti itu. Now, what is LMS? Learning Management System. LMS is software used to create web-based on online lecture materials and manage learning activities and the result of these learning activities. Jadi, the features are administration and also communication. Administration mulai dari syllabus. Jadi e-learning itu mencakup semuanya, mulai dari syllabus, teaching method, course schedule, duty, and so on and so forth. Kemudian untuk communication-nya ada forum discussion and also chat. What about the software? There are many LMS software that are provided in World Wide Web, seperti editor, Docker, and so on, banyak sekali. Yang berbasis Android, ada Google Classroom, Google for Education, banyak sekali. Kemudian ada Edmodo, Schoology, Canvas, dan di IAIN Kediri kita ada yang namanya e-learning. Ini wajib bagi kita untuk memakai e-learning ini untuk online learning-nya. Ada akun untuk the lecturers and also the students. Dan semua mahasiswa harus punya akun ini. Akun Siakat, maksudnya memakai akun Siakat masing-masing. Di dalam e-learning ini banyak sekali features-nya. Mulai dari absensi dan lain sebagainya. Jadi nanti bisa dimonitoring oleh Bapak atasan bahwa di siapa saja dosen yang aktif dan tidak untuk yang masuk di e-learning ini. Aktif atau tidak dalam perkuliahan. Ini bisa dimonitoring semuanya, kegiatan yang dilakukan di e-learning ini. Oke, but yang paling favorit di e-learning ini, dari online learning, Bapak Ibu dosen masih banyak juga yang menggunakan ini, WhatsApp. Nah, karena apa? Karena lebih ringan, irit kuota, dan juga semuanya bisa menggunakannya tanpa ada fitur-fitur yang sulit. Okay, I think that's all for my presentation. Saya contohkan juga bagaimana pembelajaran di kampus kita. Terus bagaimana kalau online learning itu dosennya menjelaskan, kemudian bagaimana kalau mahasiswa presentasi. Oke, saya akan contohkan, saya ambil dari salah satu dosen sini, saya punya Bu Aini. Ketika dosen menyampaikan materi, dosen akan membuat, bisa dengan salah satu cara yaitu membuat video presentasi. Okay, let me share.
Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me, Ayuni. Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me, Ayuni. I am glad to finally see you again via social media, and it's nice to see and hear from you again, my third semester students of academic speaking class. Well, so our first and today's topic is about academic speaking, and the name of our course is academic speaking, and I would like to emphasize the pronunciation of the word academic speaking. And class,
Hello everyone, my name is Ninda Safira Ramadhani. Here I would like to present about major supporting details. When you read an article or any other type of reading, you will notice that in addition to having a thesis supporting details, but here I would like
All right, that's all for my presentation. Can you hear me anyway? Okay, now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Now it's time for you to ask questions. I allow you and unmute you and allow you to unmute yourself. Okay. Anyone?
Okay, everyone, if you want to ask a question, you can speak directly, or you can write down on the chat. Anyone? Any question about metode daring?
Tadi videonya bisa dilihat dengan jelas atau tidak? Can you see the video clearly?
No.
No.
Oh,
Sorry, Mom. We can.
I cannot see me.
Which video? The first one or the second one or all of them?
All of them.
All of them. All of them.
Video
Clearly.
it's not clearly.
Oh, I see. Jadi tergantung sama depends on your
Sinyal.
network.
No, my signal is good.
ada yang lancar. Jadi, would you like me to reopen the video or just let it go? The first video is about the high technology, and the second is about the example of lecturer teaching using e-learning, using the video presentation, and also the third, the students present the material, present the discussion using video. Jadi supaya kalian nanti punya gambaran bahwa metode daring ini caranya ya begitu. Jadi dosennya bisa, salah satunya bisa membuat video presentasi, kemudian tanya jawabnya di platform yang mereka sepakati, bisa menggunakan Google Classroom, Schoology, and yang wajib adalah e-learning IAIN Kediri. Kemudian dari mahasiswa ketika ada mata kuliah bisa menyampaikan materinya, bisa presentasi dengan menggunakan membuat video presentasi begitu. Atau kalau mau face to face mereka bisa menggunakan Zoom atau Google Meet. Begitu.
Okay, ma'am. There is a question on the chat.
Yeah. Excuse me, I want to ask about the other platform of our learning process besides WhatsApp. Are we gonna get trial first or do we have to learn it by ourselves? Ya, kalau e-learning IAIN Kediri, jika kalian sudah punya akunnya, if you have the account, Siakat account, so you can go on, you can try now to browse e-learning.iainkediri.ac.id. You can try now. You can try now on your browser. E-learning. Let me give you the example. Let me give you screen sharing, yeah. Oke. Jadi nanti masuk ke e-learning IAIN Kediri. e-learning.iainkediri.ac.id. Nah, tampilannya nanti akan begini. So you got the tutorial for the student and also for the lecturer. If you're still confused about how to use e-learning, you can click Pusat Bantuan e-learning. And there is an admin yang akan membantu kalian. Help you. Nanti loginnya loginnya menggunakan akun Siakat Anda masing-masing. Oke. User friendly. Kalian kalau sudah bersosial media, Anda akan lebih mudah untuk mengoperasikan e-learning ini. Mulai dari bagaimana absensi, nanti di situ tinggal klik gitu. Dan juga ada panduannya. Okay, any more? Any more? You can raise your hand.
Okay, the participant. Any question more? Okay, there is a chat, ma'am.
Yeah. Excuse me, I have one question. How do we get around in order to get the most out of yeah, you can spesifikasinya di mana ini? Okay, how to use model, Ma'am. Nah, ini basicnya adalah model untuk e-learning EIN Kediri. E-learning EIN Kediri basicnya adalah model, web based and text based. Okay, is it clear? How to use model? Yes, e-learning based, model based, web based is better than learning web. I didn't get your point.
Moodle, excuse me, Moodle.
Yes, Moodle, right? Moodle or model?
Moodle, ma'am, Moodle.
Moodle. Oh, see. Moodle. Moodle is one of learning platform, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It can be web-based and it can be Android-based, bisa diinstal di Android Anda dan juga bisa langsung ke webnya. Is that right? Nah, Moodle ada yang berbayar, ada yang free of charge. Nah, yang berbayar fiturnya lebih banyak daripada yang free. Nah, di IAIN Kediri, e-learning yang dipakai itu basicnya adalah Moodle. Tapi yang berbayar, yang banyak sekali fitur-fitur di situ. Oke, begitu. Jadi nanti ketika Anda sudah mulai perkuliahan, itu menggunakan e-learning IAIN Kediri yang berbasis Moodle. Dan ada panduannya di websitenya tadi, e-learning.iainkediri.ac.id. Okay, any more?
Okay, about the question from Muhammad Hilmi, I think you can explain more about the point of your question. Muhammad Hilmi Salahuddin. Halo, Muhammad Hilmi Salahuddin.
right, sorry. Let me check the chat box. Is there any more question? Oh, I see. From which one?
How about the question from Muhammad Hilmi Salahuddin, ma'am?
I see. Yeah. Excuse me, ma'am. I have one question. How do we get around in order to get the most out of online learning? Yeah, you have to practice it, and you have to discuss with your friends, and also ask your elder, how to say, kakak tingkat. Okay. Oke, nanti akan ada panduannya. Saya bilang tadi ya, akan di e-learning itu ada panduannya, Pak. Tapi ada beberapa dosen yang menggunakan backup class karena sometimes e-learning yang Kediri itu servernya sometimes down, jadi harus punya backup class. Backup classnya mereka bisa menggunakan Google Classroom, sometimes ada yang menggunakan Schoology, ada yang menggunakan kalau Edmodo itu tampilannya seperti Facebook yang kalian sudah familiar. Okay, any more? Is that clear?
Okay, Muhammad Hilmi Salahuddin, is it clear for the answer?
Muhammad Hilmi, I cannot hear you.
Or another participant wants to ask a question, you can raise your hand or write down on the chat. Sorry, ma'am. Actually, we have out
All the time.
the time. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, thank you very much for having me. Sekali lagi saya ucapkan selamat datang di IAIN Kediri, welcome. And semoga you get what you mean, you get what you want, you get what you need here in our beloved campus. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Ma'am Ria Pamuriana. And now we are going to the last material, our topic about the introduction of Ella and Ika Marsi that will be presented by Brother Fanny and the representative of Ika Marsi. So, are you here, Mas Fanny?
Halo.
Oke.
Oke, terima kasih moderator.
Oke.
Untuk bisa menayangkan PowerPoint.
Yes. PowerPoint-nya.
Sudah saya kirim ke host PowerPoint-nya.
Oh iya, host. Oke. So the host Ella. Okay.
Sudah tayang.
Okay.
Host coba minta tolong tanyakan host.
Screen-nya hilang lagi. I think while waiting the screen, Mas Fani, you can say something, introduce yourself.
Sudah?
Okay, it's clear now.
Silakan disimak dulu ini tentang profil Dima, tentang karya-karya kita. Baik, itu sekilas tentang pengenalan apa itu DIMA. Saya sedikit menambahkan tentang peran DIMA sendiri. DIMA, Prodi ini sebuah wadah bagi mahasiswa. Merupakan salah satu aktivitas pendukung mahasiswa di kampus. Nanti kalian juga akan menemukan banyak sekali aktivitas pendukung di kampus. Ada UKM, terus ada DIMA, juga ada organisasi eksternal. Nah, fungsi dari DIMA itu sendiri sebenarnya satu, untuk menampung aspirasi mahasiswa. Dua, juga untuk melatih, untuk mengembangkan soft skill dalam pola pikir, soft skill, bakat kalian. Untuk saat ini pemahaman DIMA oleh mahasiswa ini agak sedikit geser. DIMA diartikan sebagai event organizer. Padahal peranan DIMA itu lebih dari itu. Sebagai penampung aspirasi mahasiswa di kampus. Tadi juga ada program-program dari DIMA TBI, salah satunya Welcome Freshman. Welcome Freshman dari tahun ke tahun itu ya event, ada add-on, terus ada pensi segala macam, tetap ada materi wajib tentang ya seperti ini. Karena situasi dan kondisi yang